The Isuzu Traga Blind van comes with standard factory quality rear cargo with a large cargo volume, a vehicle solution for courier businesses in urban areas, so that goods distribution becomes faster and easier. The Isuzu Traga Blind van is designed with a large cargo volume with a length of 2.9 meter, a width of 1.5 meter, and a height of 1.2 meter, or the equivalent of a volume of 5.22 cubic meter, which is the widest cargo in its class, able to transport more profitable, and saves operational costs in the delivery process. Currently, the Isuzu Traga Blind van uses a 4-year 1L diesel engine with a capacity of 2,500 cubical centimeter, which is proven to be powerful, reliable, and fuel efficient, making it more profitable. For the legendary 4-liter engine, Isuzu is developing it to meet Euro 4 standards. The next model Isuzu will be ready with various engines whose emissions will of course meet standards.